feeling well and not even able to get out of the bed. How can I cook for many people? Hi friends. Our Raju fell ill. He is on bed. He is not able to cook food for the big party. I want to help Raju. Who will come with me? I will prepare rice for the party. Based on you, I can grind the things that you need for cooking in minutes.
I too can help you. I can slice and dice the vegetables.
Dear tomatoes, chilies and onions, here I come. Hello, can I help you? Yes, you are most welcome. Come on friends, let's begin cooking. I can't believe this. All the food for the party is ready. Who helped you in cooking? The pot, the mixer, the knife, the stove. Thank you all of you. Welcome.
Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching. Thank you.